What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Elrond Egld and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the likes, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. What's up guys, so we're just taking a look at Elrond here, and as we can see, things looking really good today, aren't they? We can see quite clearly here. We had a very nice little pump today. Basically coming back above, this range that we have been talking about for a lot of cryptocurrencies here, but you can see for Elrond, we basically formed a range looking something like this, didn't we? I mean, in reality, you could probably say realistically, it was actually something like this. Where basically, on the 19th of May, obviously, we had our, we've had really good price action for Elrond, haven't we? Coming up from, what is it, $5, $6, $7 last year, the end of last year, all the way up to the all-time high of around $250. And then obviously once we started to roll over here, we did have this big collapse. We came all the way down to around, what is this, $74, $75. We had a bit of a bounce to the upside. But I mean, I guess in reality, you could say that realistically, the range is actually something like this, isn't it? And then I guess you could say more like this, where basically what happened was, I'll have to delete these lines now because otherwise it'll undo my box, and I always undo my box. Okay, so realistically, you could say we come down here. Obviously, we come down, we hit our low of our range. We come back up, we hit the top of the range. Obviously, flip bearish on our EMAs as well. We basically collapsed all the way down here. We come all the way down. We fake out to the downside. Fake out to the downside of the range here that we did form. We've obviously got, the descending wedge that we saw for lots of cryptos. Every single crypto doing this. High, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. We come all the way down. Fake out to the downside of the range, just like a lot of cryptocurrencies did here. When Bitcoin went below 30k for the first time. Then we came all the way back up. We had a decent bounce for Elrond, didn't we? We come up, we come back down, we retest the 20 as support. We come up to the 55, but we hit our head on resistance. We come back down, we try and hold the 20, but we actually could roll over here again. But the key thing here for Elrond was that we made a higher low. As you can see here, we clearly made a higher low. We come back inside the range, and then we held the range as support, which was good to see, rather than coming back up and then rolling over and making a lower low. So we've basically done something like this, where we've come down, we've come up, we've come down lower, we've come up, we've come down higher, and we've come back up. We've won, you could say it's this big inverse head and shoulders, isn't it? Or something like this, you could say. And realistically, it was a massive trend change, wasn't it? Because you can see we've come up, we made a higher high and a higher low, and now we made a higher high, and now if we make another higher low, you can see where we're going with this. And then since then, obviously a huge pump, and we come up inside above the 20, broke out the 20, we come up to the 55. We touched the 55, but we consolidate nicely between the 20 and the 55 for a week or so, really bullish. Then obviously huge breakout, come back and back test this level here. This previous swing high of resistance flipped into support, and then we just absolutely run away with it, didn't we? And we broke out of the range. We come back down, retested the range as support, really bullish as well. And then since then, we've just been grinding our way up, haven't we? There's obviously this key level of resistance here, which we actually did break out of here, try and test it as support, but we did fall back inside. But you can see, just like with most cryptos right now, we are holding the 20 moving average here like a boss on the daily time frame for Elrond, aren't we? And this is something we've been saying for literally every crypto that we've been looking at, pretty much. You can see it very clearly here. We come all the way up, and then we come back down for looking for support, and we found the 20 as support, didn't we? And you can see it here. It's looking really good. And ever since we flipped bullish on our EMAs, obviously we've been flipped these into support, and they've been, the 20's been holding like a boss as support, hasn't it? You can see it's looking very good. We've obviously got the 55 coming up like this as well, if we did lose the 20. But overall, especially today, Elrond looking really bullish here, like it might actually challenge this level and potentially break out. So if we take a look at some short-term price targets now, you can see the analysis. Basically where we're going from what it looks like today is that we could potentially be breaking out of this level, but just for argument's sake, if we did start to roll over our short-term price prediction, you know, we'd anticipate the 20 holding considering how bullish we've been. But if we did lose that, we're obviously looking at coming down to around the 55 as well at around 130, retesting that previous range high resistance as support. Coinciding with the 55 would be a really good place to bounce. But obviously if we do come up to the top of this little mini range that we have formed, basically looking something like this, now that we've broken out of this range, we've got this range to contend with. And you can see if we come back up to this level here, do anticipate that we could potentially, you know, have a little bit of a retracement, and then if we break through it, we've obviously got some very nice price targets for Elrond. Realistically, our next level of resistance coming up at around that 173 level, you know, upwards of $200 would be our next price targets for the short term for Elrond if we do start to break out to the upside. So those would be our short term price predictions. And, you know, we do really think that Elrond is going to do very well. It's a very strong project. If we take a look at the fib retracement on this recent move as well, for some price targets for the final leg of the bull run, we'd say realistically a 5 or a 10x from the all-time high for Elrond is still very possible with the market cap it has. So if we look at our fib extensions here, at around $250, a 5x is, you know, what we're looking at, $1,250, which comes well within the means of our fib extensions here. And obviously you can see we're upwards of $2,000 for the 227 extension. If we did get that 10x, it's looking more like 2,500, which is possible. We think realistically it's probably going to be more like $1,000, $1,500 per Egld. Taking a look at the fib extensions as well. So update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.